Setting up a cross-selling scenario. With this scenario, you can increase your in-store sales. To start, log into Mission Control and then go to Engage Cross-Selling. On the first page, you will find some basic information about the scenario and how it works. So let's go straight to Next. Or select Adjust in the progress bar at the top of the screen. In this section, you will set the rules, determining the product display as recommendation, and which action of the client will trigger this recommendation. This section is divided into three parts: Enable Rules, Settings, Disable Rules. In Enable Rules, you can create new ones by selecting a category and clicking on the button Add New. Your new rule will appear under the Enable Rules heading. The next step is to set the parameters. Send no more often than. This option allows you to limit the numbers of times the rule will be activated by day. You can select how many days, hours, and after which action the message should be sent. Logic type. It is compatible for rules with more than one product category. It decides whether the action should be applied to all categories or just one of them. Category allows you to add additional categories in your cross-sell rules. You can also remove those categories by clicking on the bin icon. Blocking order categories. You will select the parameters that will block cross-sell messages from being sent to a given customer. Made a purchase in is the time the customer bought the product from the category selected below: lifetime, last year, last quarter, last month, or last week. Category. Which category will block cross-selling messages? This applies to the purchase of any product in the selected category. In the Settings section, you will see two options. A message of any rule won't be sent more frequently than. Here you will select the minimum period of time that must elapse between cross-selling messages, regardless of previous rule settings. You also will find Do Not Send if the customer has already purchased the recommended product. Here, when this option is enabled, the message will be blocked if the recommended products to the customer include products that the person has already bought before. In the Disable Rules section, you will find rules that are not active. You can activate them by clicking on the icon. In the Sender section, you will be able to show who the sender of the email is. Here you have two options. You can enter new data or select a predefined sender. In the Design step, you will design your messages using the drag and drop creator. Choose any template and modify it according to your needs. You can change the content of the message, and also you can add new elements. If you want to send a message with a discount, use our merge tag coupon. In the coupon step, implement your dynamic or static discount code that you already configure on your shop platform. Then we can just go to review, and that's it. If you want to check how cross-selling works, click on the report section. There you will find valuable information. Remember that it's possible to filter the results by date and rules. Also, you can see important metrics like email sent, emails opened, clicked, unsubscribed, click to open rate, and more. However, if you have any problem, please write to us to hello@edron.me or use our FAQ.